Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make money trading. Literally brainless, okay? You use a line chart just for easier on the eyes. You can use a freaking candlestick chart, don't matter. But I use a line chart. And then I look at the extremes. So I go on a weekly or daily chart. I go down to the extremes, look down here and down up here. So you go into the daily, and then you see what happens. All right, so we have a little uptrend here. If this breaks, I would say breaks here, but more so if it breaks the psychological level of 1.10, definitely a buy. So you wanna so if it breaks, boom, buy. Manage your position sizes accordingly. And if it's a false break, remember uptrends make resistance less powerful and downtrends make support less powerful. So they're not equal when trading, unless it's a complete range. And say we're wrong and it goes up here and goes back down below resistance. So we set a sell position. Then let's say it keeps going down. We've made another sell position. And on the momentum, we made a profit. We closed that buy position. And now we're fully in the trade on the sell position. Ride it down to where it wants to go. It's really that damn simple. It's not difficult. So you look at the daily chart here. Or do we want to put our resistance lines up here? I don't know why I got all these freaking lines on here. Only the extremes, my friend. Only the extremes. Down here. So if it breaks here, there's not a lot of room actually. So I'd probably like it to break this resistance, to be honest with you, in order to make it worthwhile, and see how it reacts to this support and resistance, and then that's it. Pretty damn simple. But you also do your technical analysis, you do your fundamental analysis to know how each currency pair, stock, or whatever is performing. So you have a bias. Because if you just, you could do it this way, no doubt, but it's better to be informed for sure. That's why I trade multiple pairs, multiple stocks, because I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait for one pair to get to where I want to go. So therefore, I'm on another pair waiting for this to get where I want to go. Do I see how it reacts to the price level? And that's it, basically. Very simple.